Hi students, welcome to online class. In this video, we are going to discuss about chapter 11 functions. In this, we are going to discuss about what is mean by argument or what is mean by parameter, and then what are the types of parameters are there. So that is what we are going to see in this video. First of all, we want to know what is mean by argument or parameter. See, argument or parameters are the means to pass the values from the calling function to the called function. See, arguments or parameters means which is used to pass the values from the calling function to the called function. In simple words, we can say that the arguments are parameters which are passed from main function to the function definition. Can you understand, students? Arguments or parameters are the values which are passed from the main function to the function definition. Then that is called argument or parameters. The values which are passed from main function to function definition. So this is classified into two types. One is called formal parameter and another one is called actual parameter. Now we are going to discuss about formal parameter. What is mean by formal parameter? The variables which are used in the function definition is called as formal parameters. The variables which are defined, which are used in the function definition as parameter, then that is called as formal parameters. You see, this is the function definition. In this function definition, inside the parenthesis, they have specified two parameters, int x, int y. Can you understand, students? See the function definition. This is called the function definition. In this function definition, within the parameter, they have specified two parameters. One is called int x and another one is called int y. These two parameters are called formal parameters. The formal parameters can be otherwise called as dummy parameter. The formal parameter is otherwise called as dummy parameters. Can you understand, students? The variables which are defined inside the function definition, which are used inside the function definition, then they are called as formal parameters. The formal parameters are otherwise called as dummy parameters. Now we are going to see the actual parameter. What is mean by actual parameter? See, actual parameters means the constants or variables or expressions which are used in the function call. The constants are the variables or the expressions which are used in the function call, that is, which are used in the main function. Whenever we are calling the function, we can say like that. Whenever we are calling the function, at that time we used to pass the values or variables or expressions. Then they are called as actual parameters. Can you understand, students? The constants or variables or expressions which are used in the function call are known as actual parameters. In simple words, the actual parameters are always available in the main function. The actual parameters which are always available in the main function. Now see the example here. In this example, int main, int a, b. So the two variables are declared. The two variables are a and b. The two variables are a and b. Those two variables, we are getting the input from the user. The value for the a and b variables are received from the user, and then we are going to call the function sum and the same time we are passing the variable a comma b. We are calling the function sum and then we are passing the variables a comma b. So here we are calling the function sum, at the same time we are passing the variable a comma b. So this is called as actual parameter. Sum of a comma b is called the actual parameter, that is a comma b is called the actual parameters. Can you understand, students? So now a comma b, those two values are passed to the sum function and it is stored in the formal parameter. The a comma b actual parameter is copied, is copied or it is passed to the sum function and then it is stored in the formal parameter. And it is stored in the formal parameters. Can you understand, students? So I hope you might have understood this video. So we have discussed about the arguments or parameters, and then what are the types of formal parameter and so what are the types of parameters. There are two types, formal and actual. Formal parameters which are in the function definition, actual parameters are in the main function. Actual parameters which is available in the main function. So I hope you might have understood this video. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.